Is it working? It says that it's working. Okay, great. I need to set OBS up again a little because it removed chat from the side of my monitor and I don't know why. I'll try to put on music until then. So there's something. I'll also get the PNG 2 Pro guy. I'll try to set it all up in a sec. There. There. That is up. So. I need to set everything up again. Overlays. Is that not a browser? No, that's a scene. Overlay. Go. Refresh. There. That is up. Okay, now how do I get Twitch chat back up onto my screen? Or I guess I could just read it from side. From my phone. Tech support funny mom. Okay. Take 2. And hopefully my dad doesn't blow out the power again. Okay, I'll have chat on my phone next to me. And I'll try to remember that it's on the left, not the right. Did I download the image? It should be in my downloads if I did. Yes, it is here intact. Now let's open Unity again. From Unity Hub. My computer needed a restart anyway. I didn't need any of those pesky files that were open. None of it was important. I swear. Alright. Can I not take this off the screen? There we go. Actually, I can read chat off of OBS stream. I can kind of read it. It's just in the cursive font. I guess there I can read it a little better than on my phone. Anyway, let's try to make gambling part 2. Now let's try to make an actual minigame that is skill based. You can have we could have luck based, which can give a higher reward, but the skill based one is skill based. It's lower reward. Let's go gambling! Gambling is a skill. No, gambling is not a skill. Let's open MS Paint. That's Firefox. Paint. So for gambling, all I need is have... How many different type of slots are there on the slots machine? 100% of people quit before, right? Quit right before they win big. No, we do not advocate for gambling. Okay, so for gambling, I need like 5 type of slots that it could be. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I need to pick a random one. And then if slots 1, 2, and 3 are the same, then that's a win. If there are 5 possible things, then that would mean that 5 times 5, that's 25 times 5. Ooh, what's 5 times... I forgot what 5 times 25 is. Jesus. 5 times 25 equals 125. Gambling science. So here your odds are 1 in 125. With this. That's your odds of winning. Actually, not 1 in 125. It's 5 in 100. So 1 in 25. I think 1 in 25 times you will win. Here. But I might be just blanking on some math here. Because you can win with all 1s, all 5s, or anything. Okay, anyway, this opened back up. Finally. Let me guess, I didn't save making the room. Anyway, I can put the slots machine into the player's room. It's much more addictive if you are stuck in the same room as the thing that you are gambling. Four and 3.25. 3.2. That looks like a nice spot for a slots machine. And I could have an arcade machine next to it. Okay, for slots, I can do that in just UI. So, let's make yet another canvas. Image. That's text. God damn it. Okay. So, slots UI. Whoa. 2D games in a way you were not meant to be able to see. Where's the camera? Where actually is the camera? It should be like somewhere over here. Oh, there's the camera. No, not like a claw machine arcade. Not everything is about gambling, alright? Why is it all the way over here? Is that above the world? No, that's on the world. How do I add this to the world? Draw mode simple. Item. Let's give this item ID 12. Ow. Still on top of the UI. Alright, I should set this to 5 then. And now it's not on the UI. Hell yeah. This was a 4, this is a 2.3.2. 3.2. Wish I could have it on 3. The game doesn't need to look good, it just needs to work. Okay. Now let's make it so that if I click on item ID 12... Wait, can you hear the... You can't even hear the music, I'm a moron. There. I completely forgot that I'm using Firefox, not Opera, for the music. Okay, so let's get to some programming. Item can pick up if item ID equals 10. Did I set it to 12 or 11? Claw machine, what are you? Slots machine. God damn it. 12. What is 11? 11 is the chair. If item dot item ID equals 12, then make the slot stuff. Header. Slots UI. I'm trying to think of minigames that aren't gambling and aren't difficult to make. Yeah, so as I said, I was thinking of like a shooter thing, like a mini asteroid style, or the like Tamagotchi games. Those would be good to look up. Tamagotchi, that's the one. Tamagotchi minigames. What kind of minigames were on a Tamagotchi? Because those should be easy to make, because they were literally like running on a potato. How do you play minigames on a Tamagotchi? Press button A until a bat icon appears, bat and ball icon is highlighted, then press B button to begin game. Shmup. What the hell is shmup? I'm gonna move this away just in case it's... Shmup. Oh, shoot 'em up. Well, not exactly. So I was more thinking like, what's the name of it? So basically, paint. There's paint. That basically Subway Surfer style, where there are 3 lanes and you move between them. And there are things coming down, but you aren't moving forward. Things are moving toward you, and you just have to move out of the way. And then each obstacle you dodge gives you $1. Because that'd be pretty scale based. But for now, let's just focus on slots. And then rig it. So for that, I need a game object. That is the slots. There's a minigame in FNAF 6 that had that. FNAF 6. Was there? I mean, there was Midnight Motorist, which is kinda similar. Are you thinking of Midnight Motorist? Rocket ship. I'm opening FNAF 6 now. Just to check, just to make sure. The rocket ship. Continue. I think this is my hacked save file. No. Okay, so there's this one, which is pretty scale based. I don't remember if that's a game. These two are scale based. There's the maze one. There's Midnight Motorist. I do have Midnight Motorist. So there's this one, which is, I think, more of what I'm thinking, because there are targets that are moving in front of you. And the music is really good. Oh. So this is pretty fun to do. God damn it. Except when I lose. I hate it when I lose. Then it's not fun. This is only fun when I'm winning. There. So the riding rockets one. I could take the money and then... Where is the rock? I think rocket ship one is in the rare finds auction. And for that I need money. When do I unlock the frickin'... I swear I'm gonna just edit the file so that I can buy every item. If I can't buy it here. Just so I have an example. Actually, if I put all the trash and the gangs on the stage, that will give me more money. I don't have enough space on the stage. Let's hope this gives me money. Give me a 500 one. That's not 500. There it is, a 500 one. That will be good money. Or not. It all leads back to gambling. Yes, I'm editing the save file, I swear to god. Where is the save file for FNAF 6? Where is FNAF 6 save file? Percent sign up, dot a percent sign. No. Five Nights at Candy's. What is... I didn't read it fully. MMF applications. I don't even know what that stands for. Freddy, Freddy 2, Freddy 3, FNAF World 1, FNAF 6. Open it and just... There's Notepad. Or Notepad++. Okay, so money. Yeah, so I think that will do. Now let's open this again. I said let's open this again. There we go. And now let's just buy literally everything. The money is off the counter. There it is. Government moment. Average Mr. Beast giveaway. Okay, I literally bought everything. There. Oop. Pick that up. Okay, so you said rockets. Where's the rockets one? That one. Playtest. This one. How do I shoot? Shift to shoot. That's so weird. This actually has quite good music. I'm Mr. Beast and I give away 200 egg babies. I died. That would be fun. This would be fun to add to the game. It's just quite hard, I believe. Where's the side stage? Did I not buy that? Can I buy the pickles now? I bought everything, I think. No, I didn't buy something. Violent mouse clicking. What do I need for the pickles? Isn't it that I need to buy literally everything? Yeah, I mean, that's the kind of the point of everything, to just... Is it not all such? I don't know. I haven't played this game. I'm too big a wuss to play this game. I much more prefer Bloons. Bloons Tower Defense. Okay, let's put the music back. Okay. Let's make gambling. So public game object, slots, UI. Public sprites, sprite renderer. No, just sprite. Slot symbols. And I will also need to make a bunch of symbols for the slots machine. What else do I need for a slot machine? I guess that's it. For now. So this is inventory purchase. Day system. Let's put the gambling below the day. Gambling. Is it gambling or gambling? There's gonna be some like fruits or something better. I was thinking like Project NX related stuff, so like creature symbols or arts. I mean, what idea do you have? You could gamble for body parts, imagine. Like like in this game you need to buy body parts. Imagine if you could just gamble and win them directly. I need to be careful, Twitch is gonna ban me. Okay, so public void roll slots. So, how many symbols do you think would be good? Like 10? If I have 10 symbols and 3 of a kind means you win. That means that... No, I'm telling you that... Wait, no, yes, I am telling you that. I am telling you that gambling for body parts is a bad thing. But in the context of the game, it is not as bad. Hmm? So... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks like teeth. So if we have 10 symbols, the odds of getting 3 in a row of one kind would be 1 in 1000 if it's random. So let's how can I split 10 things into weightedness? So I could have 2 that are 50%, 2 that are 25%. I still have 25 left. I can have 2 that are 12.5%. And I can have 2 that are, what's up with 12.5%? 5.6.25%. And then the last one is also 6.25%. Actually, no. Give 3.125 to this, and then this could have the other. Plus 3.125. There. So this way I can distribute them in a weighted way. Oops. Okay, so actually for now let's just make it completely random. So I have 3 slots, 10 possible in each slot. So to roll, I've only 3 outputs. So public image slot out. One, 2, and 3. So int slot. Actually, I could have that as an array. So spool. Actually, no, just roll slots, all of them. So for image in slot out, for image I in slot out, okay, for each, I guess, for each image I in slot out, I dot sprite equals sprite slots symbols random dot range unity engine dot random dot range and then that could be between 0 and slot symbols dot length minus 1. Actually, I should save that. Public bool all slots, because I'm returning yes or no. So out var out put is I'm really trying to think about this and how I'm gonna do this properly. Int and then that is the rolled numbers equals new int dot clear empty. So for each image, rolled number equals that. So slot, I need a semicolon. Slot out I equals slot symbols unity slot symbol rolled number I. Dot sprite and then if no, return I know that I have to do this. So here, if slots okay, let's just randomly generate 3 numbers. Let's break it down into smaller steps. Let's generate 3 random numbers. So int slot 1 and then slot 1 equals unity engine dot random dot range zero to 10. One to 10. Actually no, 0 to 9. And that is the same for the other 2. And then debug.log slot 1 slot 2 slot 3. And then in update, if I press R, update, if input dot get key down key code dot R, then roll slots. Now let's see if I can gamble. I forgot I turned off this and I think that broke everything. Bam bam. Bam bam. Ooh, ooh. There in the corner. I'm gambling. I got 001. Oh, I got 766. 756. 678. Okay, let's make it a little obvious. If slot 1 equals slot 2 equals slot 3. Okay. And slot 3 slot 1 equals, then debug dot log error u1 slot 1. Actually, I can just copy paste this. Okay, this way I should be able to easily see if I win. And I might have to just reduce the quantity of numbers. I might just have to reduce the number of numbers. If it's the end of the day, I'm instantly dead because I'm not making a body. Oh, there it is. I won with... How fitting. I won with 666. Okay, I'll reduce the number of numbers to 7. So I only have to think of 7 things. Actually, no, currently I need to think of 8. How many symbols are there on a slot machine? Each reel has 20 symbols. A cherry, a lemon, a blank, etc. 1 symbol on each reel is jackpot. Mm-hmm. Alright. Let's try to make the visuals. Image. BG. And the cover can hide. Actually, let's set it to like an ominous red. Right, now make Smash Pro, that at the top, thing, slots. Slots. And then let's make the slots bits. Oops. What a nice song for making gambling too. Okay. Horizontal layout group. Spacing. Let's make it like 20. Control child width and height. 10, 10, 10, 10. Nope, not 101, just 10. Image. Slot 1. Beats to relax / gamble too. Slot 2. I mean, it's just hardbound music, which is really wholesome. Just like gambling. So in each image, let's add a new image. Icon. Slot 1 Yeah, I think I know a better gambling music. There we go. That's much better. Okay, now let's make a couple icons. Let's make them 16 by 16. Simple. Common. Is any actually just like, oops. Tiny. Small. Okay, that's just one color. Is it not? It looks like one color. That looks nice. So what should be like the things that you can win? I'll make an NX Foundation logo. Those brats would put their logo on everything. Macabre? What does that mean? Macabre. Not mech cable. Macabre. 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 Ooh. I can add that. That's the entire Project NX. I just also have to keep within the within these rules. 9 days, 21 hours. So, is there any rule about horror? Don't be a dumbass, you must follow Twitch toss. No teams of more than 5. Submission must include GDD. Must be able to run in browser. You need to know. Do not attempt to sabotage other teams. Be cool to each other. No AI generated content. No pornographic or nudity. No illicit drug references. No, there's no gore or violence. Just, I don't think Twitch TOS has any gore stuff, since most big horror games start on itch. Okay, so foundation logo. Oh, actually I can remove this middle line because that's the creature type. can already win a leg. You can already buy a leg. More subtle stuff. Yeah, so currently, let's close the slots UI. If I go into my game, because I don't think I've actually fully shown it off yet. I hit the goddamn this. It's day one. So I bought a torso, I put it down. I buy a head, I put it down. I buy an arms, I put it down. I buy a legs, I put it down. And then tomorrow I do the same thing. And I wrote all the music for this game. Wow, the gambling machine is massive compared to the player. It's fitting. What do you mean you do? I'm not even gonna ask. So yeah, I think it's fine if I mean, what if you could win a torso or a head? Because those are the expensive ones. Meanwhile, arms and legs are just 10. And I've written a lot of music. I don't know why that came into my head, I just wanted to say that I've written a lot of music. I can show the ending music for this game, because I, for some reason, already jackpot is 2 heads. What would you do with 2 heads? Ending.flp. So this is the first time I'm actually kind of showing this off to others, but the ending music for this game. What does it look like? That looks good. What do you think? I personally think it's pretty good. Banger. Thank you. Okay, so slots icons. Definitely fits music for an ending. Yeah, I hoped so. Okay, back to drawing. Symbols. Yeah, let's do Wrathborns. Wait, what is the right one? I think it's... I think I drew my own symbols wrong. There we go. Okay, 2 done. If I'm going to do body parts, then I still need to do the... I still need one more. Actually, I have an idea. Let's do body. There, that's number 3, and then I can use the 4 other sprites. The body part sprites. Actually, I can make like a smaller version of the body part sprites. So I could just have... feet. How can I draw 2 hands? Hands. torso. Looks like a little house or a cupcake. And then head. Imagine if I made the head like in much higher quality. Looks like the goddamn puppet. I love how expressive just a few pixels can be. Download sprite sheet. Slots. Symbols. Actually, I should scale it up again. Okay, now slot symbols. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah. Okay, I need a quick break because I've been sitting here for the past who knows how long. I think it was 2 hours at this point. So I'm gonna be right back. Just need a drink. Be right back. Don't type anything, hyenas. I am back. Alright, so... Case... If case is 1, then money plus equals 5, 10. If case is 2, sure, let's make 5, then 10, then 15, in case 4, case 5, I think that's pretty funny. 7 is the heads. Oh wait. 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. So the biggest jackpot is if you get all torsos, and then all heads is 1. I have gambling now. Close slots UI, open this, and take the funds, this, and add it to the regular UI. I forgot about the hide. Okay, another Ones are just completely invisible. I'll scale down the slot machine. But this is in the way. It has no collider. Let's give it one. Yeah, that's fine. Sorry, I got a little quiet. I just getting tired. Something is yelling. I don't think it fixed itself. Why is it yelling though? Slots UI set active, I guess. There are two event systems. I'm sure that's fine. An event system, this, yeah. Let's just delete that. Don't really need that. Or at least I don't think I need that. Now, let's add a roll button and a close button. close. Hmm. Apparently it's gonna rain. It's gonna stop raining soon. I didn't even know it was raining. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, I can still move if I open that. Why can I still move? Can move. Oops. Oh wait, is it because the idle animation doesn't actually stop the can move? Yeah, that's fine. I don't really care if I can move. Okay, now back to the slots UI. Let's add a roll button. Why can I not scale metrically? There we go. Roll. And I think I'll set this. Can I not set the sorting layer of this? Nope. Create canvas and 10. That is so weird. Hmm. Let's see if it all works. Because if it doesn't, then I'm gonna be really sad. Is that necessary for the game to work? I don't know why it would be necessary for the game to work. Apparently it is necessary for the game to work. Okay, so I can buy... But it's literally inactive as well. Huh? Oh, this. Blocking mask thing. Oh, it's the text as well. This text needs to come back. Deadly neurotoxin. Let's gamble until I win big. The biggest win, I believe, is torso. Oh, NX. Okay, I should make the rolling cost like $1, so that no player should just auto click. It's gambling. If money greater than or equals to 5, then all that. I sneezed so hard that the music lagged. Bom bom. Right. And in here I should change this button to roll minus $5. Let's see. Does gambling work? If it does, then that's the end of the stream and I will work on a second minigame in my free time. And hopefully be done by tomorrow. If I'm not done by tomorrow, then, obviously, I will come back for tomorrow's stream. It does not subtract the $5. I forgot to subtract $5. Money minus equals 5. Not 5L, just 5. And then if these two work, if like I have a minigame and the gambling, Then from there, I can start making the game fun. And then at the very end, we can make it look good. But that's the last thing. Oh. I lost. This is because of you, Hexowo. It's all your fault. I'm gonna die. I has died. I guess I can show up the main menu I made. I don't think I did that last stream. Yeah, the quit game button will work. I will have these 3 buttons once the jam is over, because these take actual effort. Like a settings menu, I can't just plop a settings menu together that quickly. That's an entire day's of work. That's like 2-3 days of work. For me. Because I suck at it. The achievements, I don't exactly know how to do achievements, so that will be another 2-3 days of work. Save files are a whole thing on their own that I need to build the game around the save file, kinda. And then start new game, we'll just start a new game. On day 1. Okay, let's ensure that I have a body. And then it doesn't matter if I gamble. But so far the entire game is based on luck. You cannot beat this game so far without having to gamble. Like that, I lost the game, technically. I can live 2 days and then nothing after that because I don't have a way to make money without spending money. Just like in real life. This game is so realistic. So then tomorrow we'll start there, and then I will wake up in the body that I've built. I will also work on making like a little spot wherever you die. Okay, so that is it for today's stream, and I guess see y'all tomorrow. Adios. I'm too tired for this. I added gambling to my game. Bye. Actually, let's take off. Let's take it off. Let's take off making money. Making mini games. I can dash. Then dash tick making mini games. There, see? I will only have 2. I will have 1 skill based and 1 luck based. Luck based pays more. Skill based pays less, but at least you don't have to pay to play that. That will be fun when I made it. Adios.